Understanding privilege in the English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a word that you might have heard quite often in conversations, news, and social media: privilege. Understanding this term is not only crucial for your language development but also for comprehending social dynamics in English-speaking cultures. So let's dive in and explore the different nuances of the word privilege. The word privilege refers to a special right, advantage, or immunity granted or available only to a particular person or group of people. It is something beyond the usual rights or advantages of everyone. To better understand, think of it as an exclusive benefit that not everybody has access to. Privilege can exist in various contexts, such as social, economic, and legal areas. To illustrate the concept, let's look at some examples. A common form of privilege is seen in society where some people have certain advantages due to their wealth, race, or social status. For instance, having access to a quality education can be a privilege that not everyone enjoys. Another example could be the privilege of traveling freely, which might not be available to all due to visa restrictions or financial constraints. Now, how do we use privilege in a sentence? Here are a few examples. It is a privilege to be invited to this event. They enjoyed the privileges of wealth and status. Access to this information is a privilege, not a right. When constructing your sentence, think about whether the subject has a special advantage and if that advantage is exclusive in some way. Recognizing privilege is important because it helps us understand inequalities in society. It also allows those with privilege to become aware of their advantages and consider how they can help create a more equitable environment for everyone. Talking about privilege can be sensitive, but it's a necessary conversation for fostering understanding and empathy. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of the word privilege. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the ideas and realities they represent. Recognizing and understanding terms like privilege can be a powerful tool in your journey of English learning and cultural awareness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson.